So at Connect English, we really have three main programs. The most important and most popular one is our English Max program. That program is our intensive English program. It is 4 days of class per week, and that is all levels from beginner all the way up to advanced. We have 6 levels of that one, and those are the classes that include grammar, speaking, listening, reading, etc. Lots of vocabulary. All of the teachers are native speakers of English. The students are from all around the world. Classes are a wonderful mix of students from many different nationalities. So the English Max program is the most popular. It's very affordable. It's only $480 for 4 weeks of on-campus instruction. And we also have an online option and a mix, a program where you can do on-campus classes and online classes in the same week if you want to do a combination of those two. So it's a really good program. Students love it, and our teachers are fantastic. The next program that is also very popular here at Connect English is our Toefl Max program. That program is our test preparation program to help students get into colleges and universities in the USA, the good colleges and universities. We're always pushing our students to get into the ones with the good reputation. There are some bad reputation colleges, and we'd rather have our students go to the good ones. So we want them to get a high TOEFL score, and that opens the door for college and university. Our TOEFL program, we have 2 different instructors, Brian and Chris. Both of them have their own type of expertise. They know how to train students on the TOEFL reading, TOEFL listening, speaking and writing. That includes the integrated and independent sections. There's a lot of practice, and it's challenging. It's only for upper intermediate and advanced students. So this is a great program for students who have big education goals in the USA. TOEFL is, of course, the most popular test preparation or entrance exam for international students in the USA. So, of course, it's something that we focus on a lot. TOEFL Max is $530 for 4 weeks. It's a little bit more expensive than English Max, but still very affordable. It's a great program, wonderful teachers, and a lot of focused students in the classes ready to learn. The next class that we have is our Business English program, Business English Max. Right now, that is only on the evening schedule, but we do have a morning skills class option for Business English. So students who want to do Business English have 2 ways to learn it at Connect English, morning and evening. Business English, of course, is very important for students who want to have careers that require English. And of course, careers that require English, there are a lot of them. There are academic careers, travel-related careers, science careers, aviation careers. So many industries depend on being competent at English. So Business English is an important program. It's a great set of classes that we have, and in the next portion of the video, I'll tell you more about the optional extra classes that we offer every week.